I will never look at my wardrobe the same way after this. Or, exposing the chaos in choosing outfits. Meet Emily. Today's mission, find the perfect outfit. First up, the red dress. Bold, confident, in control. Until coffee catastrophe. No, Emily, your life is not a rom-com. Next, the white blouse. She's posing proudly. Until her cat adds some personal touches. Don't wear white, they said. Black jumpsuit to the rescue. But wait, zipper malfunction. Really? A wardrobe disaster now? And the montage begins. A torn skirt, mismatched socks, a shrinking sweater. Who's running this circus? But wait, haven't we been here before? Emily, staring at the mirror, realizes she's stuck in a fashion loop. Is this fashion purgatory? And reset. Will she ever escape? Tune in next week. Or rather, let's try that again.